Hello guys, Osman76 here, back again with another Wii Party video. I'm actually kind of excited for this because I want to try balance mode again on Time Attack and see if we can at least get onto the rankings with the computer on my side. So let's do it. I really hope the computer won't be stupid. I'm really hoping. Oh, isn't this the same computer I worked on in the expert difficulty? Oh well, it's random for it, so yeah. I'll just go with it. Let's at least try to balance 20 as good as we can. Alright. Trying to be super cautious of what the computer is going to do. Come on. Right, so far, looking stable so far. Uh-oh. Being cautious about this. Alright, come on, place it. Okay. Here we go. That scared me because I really thought the boat was going to fall there. Well, there we go. Right, that'll wrap it up for this video. The next video I will do is on the intermediate difficulty, so you guys will wait for that. And with that, I will do the intermediate difficulty. So, bye guys.